It's Wednesday night. What time is it? Around maybe, I don't know, 7. So, how was your day, Angel? How was your day? No comment? How was your day? She usually talks so much in the morning. She's taking a silent treatment. What about you, Popcorn? Popcorn? How was your day? No comment? What's wrong with you? You're so silent, so quiet. Yeah. They're like, we had a long day. We've been up since you left, and that was like around 7:30 in the morning. So we want our little quiet time. But then you come home from work and you want to talk and talk and talk and vent to us. So, yeah. Angel's not having that. She's like, no. She's rolling her eyes. Look at her. Are you rolling your eyes, Angel? Are you taking after mommy? Oh my god. Look at her. Angel. Are you rolling your eyes? Popcorn? What about you? She's like, I take the Fifth Amendment. Pleading the Fifth. No comment. And Angel, wake up, Angel. It's too early for you to go to sleep. You're gonna go to sleep like in an hour. I'll put you to sleep, okay? Look, I got them a little treat. Let's see if they'll eat it. I don't know, because they're probably full. Come on, Angel. Do you want some treats? They're millet. They like it. Yeah? Oh. Wow. Sorry, Popcorn. Little C's gonna fall on your back wings. Come on, Popcorn. You want some? Your turn. Come on, babe. She's like, you're getting seed on my back wings, and I don't know. They're not hungry. They're just pleasure eating. I leave them so much food. I don't know. I don't know, because they're babies. They're 4 months. And I want them to be healthy. No more? Okay, baby. You don't have to pleasure eat. Angel? Angel loves it. She's like, anytime I'll take some millet. Yeah. So yeah, the day went pretty quick. No problems. It was pretty good for a Wednesday. Wish it was Friday. But what are you gonna do? The week's going by pretty fast anyways. It's already March. Sorry, Popcorn. You want some? Sorry about that, babe. Poor baby. We're putting seed in your nice little white feathers. That's okay, Popcorn. You can wipe it off. Or your sister can eat it off your feathers. Yeah, good girl. Pleasure eating. What a great feeling, right? Eating when you're not hungry. And eating's a treat. Not too many people are lucky like that. But they're 4 months old, so I just want them to get enough nutrition. I'm gonna start feeding them greens and see if they like it, but I don't know. They're more the fruity. They have a fruity pellet, like their mother. I love fruit. I can eat fruit every day. I mean, give me a fruit basket. Oof, I'll get happy. My favorite fruit is pineapple, strawberries. That's what I like. I can't give them any citrus because I know that's too acidy for them. So strawberry it is. Blueberries. And banana, once in a while. I think it's too sugary for them. Too much starch. Yeah. Sorry, popcorn. Okay, guys. We just wanted to say hi, right? See how everybody's Wednesday was. And we'll be back maybe Friday night, guys. Friday night or Saturday morning. One of the two. But, okay. Have a good night. Everybody have a good night, right? Say bye, popcorn. Bye, Angel. Bye. Okay, guys. Good night. There. I'll leave this for you. Bye. Good night.